Blue boys going inside the doggy door. Smart dogs. Yesterday was their first time outside and they're already learning how to use the doggy door. There's Lime. She wants in, but he's in her way. She's gonna get in though. There she goes. Inside. Good job. Smart puppies. Very smart. So we're just out here hanging out. Outside. Nice evening. They've already had their dinner. So a little outside playtime. Lots of toys to play with. Lots of stimulation. Squeaky toys. Oh, they heard that. Here they come. Oh, someone else is looking to come back out. Who is that? That's a Blue boy. He says, I heard that noise. I want to come back out. There he comes. Come on out. Come on, baby. Let's go. Good job. And that's Orange Girl, or some people like to say Peach. Yellow. Pink Heart's over here playing with one of the balls that has a bell in it. And the tunnel. What you doing?